Hey, we're here at the vegan market at Raw Roots Cafe. This is Mr. G's workshop. I'm Mr. G, and inside the shop we have a welding station and a bike repair station. It's a great thing to have at a market. You always want to do hands-on stuff. Maybe they never tried welding before. I'm basically giving people what I wish I had a chance to do when I first started welding, which is an intro. So basically, you get to cut the metal, you can bend the metal, you can spot weld it, and you can MIG weld it. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2.
Perfect. Okay. So now it's together, and now we're gonna try and pull it apart. Pull on that. Pull as hard as you can. Try and break it. Try and break it. Try and break it. Come on. Try and break it. Okay. All right. So it works.
Yeah, it works.
Okay. You wanna let her try?
Me too.
Okay.
So what do I press?
So push this down, and then push or pull that trigger to one side for 2 seconds. Kale power.
Okay.
Kale power.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2.
Perfect. There you go.
Ooh.
Cool, right? Okay, so now try and break that. Are you trying?
You're so trying.
Is she pulling? I don't understand. That's perfect. Lesson 1.
Lesson 1.
Spot welder. Next, we're gonna do the MIG welder.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna level up. This is like just like a video game. We're going to the next thing.
I like it.
Flip down. All right, good, good. Okay, but never flip back up because it'll fall off your head and then smash on the ground.
Oh yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
So I get one too?
Yes.
I
Hold on a second.
flip down.
Okay, you got gloves?
Yes,
okay,
I
good.
got them.
Okay, I'm gonna do one weld. Let me just look for my gloves. Where's that second set?
You
Oh, here.
can't see it. Yeah,
Oh, yes, you can. Can you see the tree line?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Look at the tree line.
I can see behind me, I think.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Wait, okay. You're gonna see the weld and nothing else. You guys play pool? You hold down like here, and this is where your pool cue goes. And you want it to be kind of up and a little bit like this. Okay, and then the distance is super important. Now when I say flip down, you guys flip down. Flip down.
Now?
Now. Are you flip?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, alright, your turn. Distance, let me just show you something. When you go like this, okay, now I'm gonna show you. See the heat?
Yeah.
So if you're too far away, the heat will be in the wire, but not in the work. You see?
Yeah.
See that? The amps involved is higher than this can handle, so it turns into resistance, and the resistance is heat, and then it melts the wire. Too far. Moving too quick. Right? Sorry, moving too quick, then it gets thin in between, right? Classic mistakes. Another classic mistake. Let's see, when you do a step, if there's a change in distance, sorry. Okay, change in distance, you have to worry about the angle, and you have to stay consistent. See that this changed when you changed the step, so you have to stay with it. And then back to block vision. Got control?
Yeah.
Okay, flip. Pull the trigger. Okay, hold the trigger down and don't change your distance.
Alright, so it has to just be like this.
Yes, and also for people here, you can look at it, but don't look directly at it for too long. Good. There you go. There you go. Okay, that's it. Much better. Much better. Now, do you hear the sound?
Yeah.
When it goes da 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 versus
Yeah.
you want to make the zzz noise.
Yeah.
Okay, let her try. These gloves might be better.
Okay.
Try this. These were made by a female welder.
Oh.
On purpose. Jessie Combs, she's famous. She's like a race car driver. She's like a rock star welder. Okay, is that better?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, perfect. Okay, shout out to Jessie Combs. Thank you for these gloves.
Yeah.
They work really
I
well.
don't have them.
Sponsor us, please.
Okay, yeah.
Sponsor.
There's gonna be a pool of liquid metal, and then you're the one adding the metal.
Okay.
And it's gonna go like this, and then you move it around. And make it like a little bubble, and then that's it. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Close it. There you go. Okay, that's it. Good job.
Wow. I did that?
Yes.
So what do they use this to make?
See this? That's how they do it.
Yeah, that's
See there,
So it's all like
there.
separate parts that they connect.
Correct. All right, so the event is amazing. It's all vegan market, and I know you might be thinking, oh, vegan food. I don't know if I want to try that, this and that. No, I'm telling you, it doesn't matter that it's vegan. The food tastes amazing. Imagine the best chefs, but they're not cooking with any meat products at all. Then what they did was they invited all these vendors to come in that also have vegan type of stuff. So
a lot of different foods like veggie burgers, you have vegan cookies, everything made without meat, but you don't taste the difference. That's the way they use other products like nut products, they use milk substitutes. So they also have here at this this event, charity events for animal welfare, and they have jewelry and different crafts and even a tattoo artist. So they have a little bit of everything.
it's people, all these people are like-minded. They're all trying to do something good and share their craft with the world, whether it's food or products or whatever.
How come you automatically made me the top?
No, I'll be the top now.
Oh, who pays more for the top?
Back here, like you said. Yeah. See, it says look.
Yes. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
But it doesn't say read. Well, again.
See how you there.
All right.
All right, so grab it from up here. Have more
Okay.
leverage, and just go straight down. It'll be like butter.
There you
Oh
go.
wow.
That's it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yep, that's it. Done. Close enough. Close enough. Right there. Yeah, that's close enough. Okay, now I need a volunteer. One of you guys
Yeah.
is gonna. Let's see if it's one piece.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see if we can take that little dot apart. Pretty strong. Oh, she's twisting. She's smart.
That's cheap.
Oh, is that cheating? All right. Then no, it doesn't come off.
All right.
No, I give up.
It's okay. This is called spot weld. It's like
Okay.
so the weld only happens in one spot, which is why it's called spot weld.
I'm Mr. G. This is Mr. G's workshop. I'll see you later.